So this is our new wall clock by Vintage Clocks, and it's made of pine wood. It weighs almost 7 pounds, maybe less, but about that. And it's handcrafted, very beautiful. And we put it up on the wall a few days back. As you would notice, it doesn't have a seconds hand, just an hours and minutes hand. Beautiful colors, looks very nice when the sunshine falls on it. The colors appear a bit darker right now. It's evening time and just the lights in the room are on. But when the sunlight comes and the natural color is seen, it glows and it's a bit lighter than what it appears to be right now. And if you look very closely, you look for a minute. The minute's hand is moving very, very slowly. And you can see the movement. It's a big clock. It's a 24-inch clock. 24 inches means 2 feet is the diameter. And it's accurate. First I thought, I don't know, would this be accurate? But it's accurate, keeps the time accurately, and looks very nice on the wall. It's just by our entrance, so very happy to get this. Very nice.